Hey there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. I wanted to make a quick video about taking apart the plug on a Vanagon ECU plug. Okay, so say you want to install one of those oxygen sensor repair kits that we sell. You have to take, you can have this in the car. You don't have to have it out like I do. But in order to take apart the plug, you have to take this little Phillips head out. I'm doing that right now. Okay, and you can actually use a slightly bigger Phillips head than this one, but I had this one sitting around. So I'm gonna take that out. Okay, set it somewhere where you're not going to lose it. Then once you got that out, this plug will come apart. Okay, you want to push this boot out of the way. Let me see if I can do some stuff here since I got it in a vise. Push this boot back out of the way. Okay, and then as you push this down, okay, it will kind of lever over here on this side, and it'll come out of there. So let me go ahead and do that. It's hard to do it while I'm holding the camera, and I don't have anybody here today to do that for me, but I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be back in a minute.